Here's a sweet way to enjoy Taco Tuesday. Check out this recipe from Better Homes and Gardens for taco cookies. Start with half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Stir and mix together. Then you need refrigerated sugar cookie dough. Form into a ball, roll through the mixture, and cover fully. Next, place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 10 minutes, then cool in an upside-down muffin tin to create the taco shell shape. Use dried fruit for lettuce and chewy fruit squares for cheese. Now cut up maraschino cherries for tomatoes. Grab those chocolate sandwich cookies. Now put them in a plastic bag and smash together to create the meat for the taco. Start with that as the bottom layer. Fill with the sliced fruit chews, then the sliced cherries, then your faux lettuce. And don't forget the white frosting for sour cream. Now your bite-sized taco cookies are ready to eat. And that recipe makes between 25 and 30 servings, so you have plenty of cookies to go around. For more fun recipes like that one, you can go to bhg.com. Yeah, I'm kind of into that
I was
one.
skeptical at first, but now
Looks good.
now I want one.